that I would always look up to.
Hello and welcome to Faculty of Management Studies, Sri Sri University. I'm a host, Ekta Rani, and today we have very special guest, Mr. Ojasvi Gupta from the batch 2023-25, who has made a remarkable journey from our campus and of a thriving career in corporates. Get ready for a mix of stories, learnings, and advice that you can put into action. So, hello.
Hi, thank you so much.
So, I have a question for you. If you could relive one moment from your college days, which one would it be and why?
The most precious moment which I would always cherish and carry forward is the bond which I had made with my batchmates, the night stays, the case studies, the fun, the thrill part. That is the most cherishable and always a rememberable part which I will always carry and long to just remember it. So that is the most amazing and cherishing moment that I would always look up to.
Okay, great. What's one memory that still makes you smile whenever you think about FMS?
Whenever I think about FMS, first of all, that smile comes from our beloved master, Shri Shri Gurudev Ravi Shankar ji. As he always says that whatever you do in your life, be it any career, do it with full commitment, do it with full smile, that contentment, that thrill, that enthusiasm, you have to carry it. So that is the biggest reason for me to smile and carry my task in a more effective and efficient manner.
Agree. How did your perception of MBA life change from your first day to your last day?
For the first very day when I entered this college, I had a lot of fears, lot of doubts, what will happen, what will not, case studies, this, that, pressures and all. But when I landed up in this college, so what the best part I liked about this college is it's not only about rigorous study like any other MBA college you'll see. Such kind of serene environment, such kind of amazing place, it's very rare to see, and SSU holds that thing. So during this journey in inclusion of spiritual activities, other activities and all, that made me a totally different person from the day one, and now I see and I look back. So that has made a remarkable difference in my life altogether.
Yeah, this makes sense. If your batch had a tagline, what would it be?
Rock stars.
Oh my god. Is there a moment when you felt truly proud of yourself?
There had been many moments.
Here.
Yesterday, that moment of pride that came when I secured finally my degree from this college, prestigious college. That was the moment of pride for me, and would always be. So, yeah.
Who has been your biggest inspiration during your time at FMS?
My biggest inspiration has been many professors, but yes, obviously Mr. Bharat Das sir, Dr. Viplav and Dr. Vishal Sood sir and Dr. D.D. Swine, they have been guiding light to us during, and their unwavering support, end-to-end continuously mentoring and all, that has helped me a big way to come from one place to another and to make a big difference to me, and yeah.
How did this place shape your personality, both professionally and personally?
Professionally, our professors, they gave a knowledge just beyond books. Bharat Das sir, as I always told, that he had that connecting personality. He motivated us to just see beyond the books, just explore MBA in different dimensions. He gave us all the ample of opportunities here in college, and whenever I used to meet him out, he used to guide us, mentor us. So professionally, he trained us very well, and along with other professors and all. So they nurtured us in many different dimensions and many folds. So that is the beauty this FMS they hold. They have such a pile of good teachers and all. We are so blessed to being mentored and taught by them, that professionally, and they always made ensure that we carry ourselves in a very graceful and dignified manner in the industry where we are going. Personally, yes, all the spiritual activities, all the extracurriculars and all, that gave me a new side of me to come up with my creative potential. So that is what.
It was really great.
Yeah.
Now we will have a quick one.
Sure. Please.
Chai pe charcha or canteen gossip? Where did the best ideas come from?
Chai pe charcha. Vishwa ki chai.
If you could go back in time and give one piece of advice to your fresher self, what would it be? Like, I am also fresher. Can give advice.
I would only say, just don't keep on learning, keep on upgrading, keep on evolving yourself in different arenas of life, different stages of this college journey. Enjoy it, commit yourself fully 100% to everything. That is what I will always advise my freshers to follow up on.
Okay.
Because life is beyond books, life has to be explored. So, I mean, don't worry about the placements. You do your best, best will come your way. That is the main mantra which I will give you.
Great. So our next question is, what will you miss the most about FMS life?
Yes, the night stays, the late night stays with my friends and all, the chit chat, the tafri, then going around here and there, that will definitely I'll miss. That bonds, that cherishness and everything, the extracurricular, satsang, especially the AOL satsang and all.
Is there someone you would like to give a special shout out or thank you to from your journey here?
Yes, definitely. I'll say Dr. Namita, Dr. Biplab sir, Bharat Das sir, definitely to them.
Okay. Now, what's one lesson from your MBA days that you will carry throughout your life?
That's a good question, but yes, there have been innumerable many lessons which I'll be carrying throughout my life. This kind of environment, the college environment which SSU gave me, that is biggest of all, and lot many lessons on professionally, personally, spiritually, and everything. So this kind of serene environment, this kind of such pious and so green environment and all and everything about SSU I'll carry.
That's great. So, what does FMS family mean to you in one word?
Maybe FMS family, yeah.
FMS.
We are one. We are united.
So, that's a rapid fire wrap up.
Sure.
Group projects or solo work?
Group projects.
Okay. Morning lectures or late night submissions?
Late night submissions.
Convocation day in one word?
Convocation day, feeling proud.
Okay, great. Nice meeting you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
sir.
much. I'm really thankful to our seniors, to our professors, who gave me this opportunity to come up on this podcast. And considering my views and think worthy enough for this podcast, I'm really thankful to Abhishek sir for giving me this opportunity and all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.